Hey everybody, it's Jordan here, and I'm going to show you how to get started sprouting in your very own Sprout Garden sprouting kit. Stay tuned. Alright, so your Sprout Garden comes with a little bit of seed to begin with. It's a 3-part salad mix, an alfalfa, and a protein powerhouse. We are going to show you how to sprout the 3-part, but I wanted to get a little crazy and do some lentils and some bean salad. The bean salad performs pretty much the exact same way as the protein powerhouse, so you can just follow those instructions, and the alfalfa performs just like the 3-part salad mix. So what we've done first is we've flipped these base trays. They look like this. We flipped them over, and we've taken the sprouting trays and placed them inside, and that's where we do all of our soaking. So if you want to get in close, I can show you how it drains. But what we do is we just pull up, and you just got to run your fingers along the bottom where the holes are to break that water tension, so most of the water comes out of the tray. And we set this on top, and then use that as your lid for your next, and as the base for your next sprouting tray. So let's get our 3-part salad mix now. And you know what I like about this particular sprouter over a jar is that you have a less chance of too much moisture happening. Sometimes within a jar, it can get a little hot if there's some light getting in. It's like the greenhouse effect, and so it may cause your sprouts to rot, but there's really zero chance of that happening with this. Oh, and again, these seeds here have been soaking for about 4 hours, which is my standard for big and small seeds. I think it's the perfect amount for any seed to get the water it needs to germinate. Set that there, and now we're going to use our last base tray as the top. And honestly, we'll just check on this every day. So in a day's time, we'll come back and we'll rinse it. It's the next morning, and we're gonna check and see how our sprouts are doing. The bean salad, it looks like some of the lentils really took off, but let's give that a rinse. What you'll do is you'll just throw a little bit of water in the sprouting tray. Kind of shake it around, just make sure all the seeds sort of touch that moisture, get a little wet. Run your hands along the bottom like we did before. Get that excess water out. 3-part salad mix is doing pretty well. It looks like the radishes have sprouted, and I bet the alfalfa, yep, I can see a few of them. They're popping off, so is the broccoli, so heck yeah. We'll rinse that in a minute. And you'll just want to do this every day. Just go through, check them out, kind of see how moist they are. This one even still has a good amount of water in there. I might even leave it till the afternoon and then rinse it then, because I don't want it to get too wet. That is an important factor. Now the lentils, yeah, the lentils are doing pretty good as well. A good amount of moisture. I'll probably check on them the same time as I check on the 3-part salad mix, and I think we'll be good to go. The lentils will probably be ready tomorrow, so we'll check on those along with the bean salad. I think that'll be ready as well, and then in a few more days, the 3-part will be ready, so we'll see you then. All right, we're back. It's day 3 of our Sprout Garden, and our lentils are completely done and ready to eat. We just tasted some. It's delicious. Lentils are one of my absolute favorites. The larger the seed, generally, you let it sprout less. It's ready when the tails are poking out. And the same with the bean salad. The bean salad is also done. You can see that the tails are just shooting out, and they're delicious as ever with the mung beans. But here, the 3-part, you can see that the tail is just as long, but we let it grow out to the cotyledon stage, which is those first set of tiny leaves. And once they get to that stage, you can set it next to a windowsill for a couple hours, and those leaves will go from yellow to green in just a matter of hours, and then you can just chow down on them. All right, and that's how you use the Handy Pantry Sprout Garden sprouting kit. Happy sprouting!